In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best router table lifts available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the router table lifts mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift. The ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro is designed for precision woodworking with a smooth transmission system for fine adjustments. It installs easily on any router table and features a micro-adjustment function for accurate cuts. The stable lock ring set ensures secure operation, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers alike. With a 49% discount, it's a great investment for woodworking enthusiasts looking for quality and precision. Number 4, Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. This aluminum router table insert plate is an essential tool for woodworking. Designed for a perfect fit on router tables and saws, it supports multifunctional trimming and engraving. Made of high-quality, durable material, it ensures long-lasting performance. Installation and maintenance are simple, making it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals. With a 51% discount, it's a budget-friendly addition to any workshop. Number 3, Heavy-Duty Router Lift with Aluminum Plate. Ideal for woodworking enthusiasts, this heavy-duty router lift ensures smooth and precise cuts. It features a double-bearing trimming bit, 4 corner feet for plate adjustment, and a removable pivot pin for safe freehand work. The 3-ring inserts accommodate different center hole sizes, making it versatile for various woodworking projects. Built for durability and accuracy, it's a must-have tool for those seeking professional-level results. Number 2, Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. This aluminum router table insert plate is designed for DIY woodworking projects. Its flip plate design allows for quick and easy tool changes, while precision CNC machining ensures accurate cuts. Measuring 240 by 200 by 5 mm, it fits a variety of woodworking tools, offering versatility in applications. With a 51% discount, this insert plate is an excellent addition for anyone looking to enhance their woodworking efficiency and accuracy. Number 1, Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate Set. The aluminum router table insert plate set is an ideal woodworking tool for professionals and DIYers. Featuring an easy flip design for quick adjustments, it supports precise milling with electric wood milling machines. Its versatile design allows customization for various woodworking projects, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. With an 18% discount, this set is a valuable investment for those looking to upgrade their woodworking setup.